Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing Disney's The Incredibles 2. This was the Best Buy exclusive 4K Ultra HD with the Blu-ray and the digital code. This retailed I think for $34.99, I want to say. There's the back, the special features that it comes with, if you guys want to pause that. I actually didn't get a chance to see this movie in theaters because I have a toddler and he gets kind of anxious in the movies. Okay, so here's the back. That's behind the J card. It's semi like matte and glossy, not too glossy. In the front, this is embossed, as is, well, not up here, but this here is. You get 3 discs, bonus disc, 4K disc, and the Blu-ray. And there's the inside art, the steelbook. And then you have the front and the back of the steelbook. Thanks for watching, guys.